Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off sound alert for dog barking, doorbell ringing, or knocking on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. Now go down and tap on sound notifications. Next, tap on Open Sound Notifications. In here, tap on the Settings button at the top. Then tap on the Sound Notifications blue panel right here. Then go down and tap on Notification Categories. Now you go down to the Priority section and then tap on Dog Barking Sound. If you want to switch it off, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now you can do the same for doorbell ringing. You can switch it off or turn it on, as well as door knocking. You can switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.